But the problem is get it. You know the pickup is selling only $99.
The pickup?
Yeah, 2004.
What? Why?
Because the guy left. He lost his job, and then instead they gonna left the pickup in the house.
Well, how many miles?
I don't know how many miles. We don't. They returned it again. He said to me, "Even me, I need the van."
So, you know.
2001?
Yeah, 2001.
I don't know. Dila, what year? What year? It's a good deal.
Yeah.
He said if you want to get. But for something, no. Tell me.
Oh, yeah? That's what he said?
He's doing a video for the game.
That's
That's good, you take video.
Ito pa lang Toyota Sienna.
Oh yeah, that's why. Can you put oil? The grease?
increase where?
I think that's on the Accord.
Yeah, oh yeah, he
I
was.
said no
No?
need, no need, yeah.
Yeah.
No need.
That one is like, it's too
Because-
old.
Not even in the blue book.
Yeah, it's not
They
even in
sell
the.
it 1,000.
Oh, yeah?
So as long as not smash over here. Side. And then Angel, let's say mechanic, you're gonna put your name over there, and then you can, and then so that everybody is gonna call you.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's he telling me. That's why you, let's say you want to sell something, or that you need the mechanic, you're gonna put that. Yeah. I asked my son, you know how to do? Yes, I know. That's easy. That's easy to do that.
And 14. Busy, huh? All right.
My youngest son is gonna work.
turn on the car and
Yeah.
see if any